Crown of Curls YouTube channel. I am here with Vic. So I am at Young Island today for my birthday. This is Maurice. Look at him, all nice and clean shaven and stuff. And he brought me here for my birthday. I'm going to show you guys around. Isn't he the best husband ever? He's camera shy. He's camera shy. So this is, look at that. That's St. Vincent. I know I usually film my hair for you guys, but I didn't this time. My tripod wasn't home. It was just this big thing. But this is my hair today. And yeah, so we're going to get lunch because I'm starving, okay?
We have whole wheat, we have cinnamon, banana, and raisin. Love coconut and raisin, sorry. The cinnamon. Okay, what's on your YouTube channel? Do you have a YouTube channel? What's on it?
Yes, I do my hair and sometimes I do little vlogs.
Well, my daughter loves hair.
So tell her to check it out.
So will you be on YouTube?
My Crown of Curls. I will write it down for you.
Okay.
Can I have cinnamon and coconut? No. Raisin and coconut, please. Put all of this nice fancy treatment. Came out with the bread tray, you know. Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy.
So you bring a paper so I could write it for you.
Okay. You just smiling.
So guys, this is coconut bread. This is raisin bread. And Maurice got cinnamon bread. So I wanted cinnamon, but he got cinnamon. And you guys know I'm going to take half of this. Right, babe? Right? Right. So this is the cinnamon bread. Just going to take some butter, put it on it. This is so good. Really nice texture and everything. So good. So the food is here, guys, and this is my meal.
What did you say you want?
Piece of the cinnamon, please. The bread. Getting another slice of the cinnamon bread. But this is my meal. Yes, I am still not eating meat, so here you go. And this is Maurice's meal. Oh, we don't have a food. This is Maurice's meal. This looks so good, yeah? Like, he's already eating. So good. And the butter from before, and the ketchup. And of course, if you're in St. Vincent, you must have Vitamalt because it is the best thing ever. Alright, so we're gonna eat now.
This is Ranik walking after we ate lunch. Lunch was awesome. I enjoyed my chicken. I'm supposed to be transitioning, but God is good. I'll get there sometime. She did not eat any meat. She had
sticking to my resolution.
Pasta. Good for her. And she's wearing, I don't know what the design of it, but some dress that she bought somewhere. I don't know.
A floral dress.
It's floral. Doing my best to do this whole vlog thing. Casey and I start maybe. I need to open some door handles.
Yes. And set up the camera and come out of the car. Exactly. Run outside, set up the camera, come back in.
Alright, so
this is my hair.
That's her hair. She told me about that already. It looks pretty awesome. She said I did not compliment her hair enough. But yeah, that is Ranik's birthday vlog.
So guys, thank you so much for hanging out with us today. Very short but sweet vlog. You could check out my birthday vlog from 2017 and 2016 as well, because this is something that I do every year. Hope that you guys enjoyed it. And I almost forgot, later on that evening I was surprised with a cake, and this is my birthday cake, guys. I'll insert some pictures with me with it now. And thank you guys so much for all the lovely birthday wishes. I really do feel like $1,000,000 today. Bye! Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Okay, I'm gone. Bye.